Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to transfer data from your old phone to your Honor 600 Pro. To transfer your data, first you'll have to have device clone on both of your phones. If you don't have it, then press on whatever phone you're transferring your things from. And this will give you the QR code to install the app. Then we press on next. And we have to scan the QR code. Now, press on join. And it's connecting. The device is connected, and now you select whatever items you want to transfer. So let's say we'll choose a few photos from the camera app. Press on OK and next. And now we have to wait for the things to transfer. We have to press yes. And the things have transferred. We press on done and finish. And the photos will be down here. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.